feet in the sand, salt on my lips. You trace little waves on my fingertips. Sky turns to amber, slow fading blue. Every little moment pulls me to you. Ocean breeze between us, carry every worry away. Summer nights around us, nothing left we need to say. Freedom in the silence, just your heartbeat close to me. Ocean breeze between us, I'm exactly where I should be. Lanterns on the water, drifting like thoughts. Time slips and stutters, then just gets lost. You laugh in the shadows, soft glow and light. Peace in the spaces between the night. Ocean breeze between us, carry every worry away. Summer nights around us, nothing left we need to say. Freedom in the silence, just your heartbeat close to me. Ocean breeze between us, I'm exactly where I should be. Take my hand, let the tide decide. Breathing in, easy on the rise. If the world feels heavy, let it fade behind. Here in this hush, we're weightless in our minds. 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 Salt on my lips, gold on the water, slow steps in the sand. I can finally breathe. Bare feet, cool tide on my ankles, sky painted tangerine, drifting where the day unravels. You laugh, hair tangled in the wind, time sliding off our shoulders like it never has to end. tracing lazy lines on my back where the night meets. Moonrise, floating on the quiet world, humming far behind us, but it never feels this silent. Ocean breeze in my veins, I'm letting every worry go. Summer nights in your gaze, moving in the afterglow. I feel free, I feel light, nothing left for me to chase. Ocean breeze in my veins, washing all the noise away. Slow motion hearts under fading daylight. Every little breath feels like a new life. If tomorrow comes, let it find us here. Skin warm from the dusk, so clear, mind clear. Slow motion hearts under fading daylight. Every little breath feels like a new life. If tomorrow comes, let it find us here. Skin warm from the dust, so clear, mind clear. Their feet in the sand, traces of foam on my hands, salt in the air. I breathe it in slowly, slowly. Sun melting into gold, time loosens up its hold. You lean back, eyes half closed, we just float here. Ocean breeze on my skin, I feel the world fade out, fade in. Every little wave says stay. Summer in my lungs, I let the night begin again, drifting where the stars all spin, breathing in the quiet of the bay. Nothing in the way. Soft laugh, your head on my shoulder. Warm wind making us bolder. Shadows dance along the shore, moving, moving. Glasses ring a distant song. All the worries feel so wrong. They sink beneath the tide, out of sight now. Ocean breeze on my skin, I feel the world fade out, fade in. Every little wave says stay. Summer in my lungs, I let the night begin again, drifting where the stars the sky turns blue to clear, every heartbeat in rhythm with the sea. Let the days fall far behind, leave the noise outside our minds. In this moment, we are free. Ocean on my skin, I can finally breathe. Freedom in the wind, moving through the leaves. Summer in your eyes, soft and wild and free. Peaceful little world, where the water touches me. Warm air, drifting clouds, fire glow on our faces. Soft words, quiet smiles. We're alone in these places. Midnight on the tide, moonlight draws silver traces. Heartbeat, gentle tide, one by one, fading traces. Ocean on my skin, I can finally breathe. Freedom in the wind, moving through the leaves. Summer in your eyes, soft and wild and free. Peaceful world, where the water touches me. Arms wide open to the breeze. Nothing here but calm release. Every breath a softer sea, washing over every piece. Let it in, let it be. Let it all fall from me. Ocean on my skin, I can finally breathe. Freedom on the breeze, moving through the leaves. speak slow. Stay in this gentle fever where the world feels far, far away. I could live in this horizon, drifting with you, drifting all day. Toes in the sand, salt on my lips, slow conversations, see doing flips, golden horizon, painting my skin. Daylight is fading, night drifting in. Ocean breeze on my skin, I can finally breathe again. Summer nights under stars, let the tide carry my heart. Ocean breeze on my skin, I belong where waves begin. Finding peace in the blue, I feel free here with you. Soft silhouettes dancing in light, laughter that lingers, easy and quiet. Eyes on the water, thoughts letting go. Time moving slower, soft on its own. Ocean breeze on my skin, I can finally breathe again. Summer nights under stars, let the tide carry my heart. Ocean breeze on my skin, I belong where waves begin. Finding peace in the blue, I feel free here with you. Sand between my toes, golden sky glows, salt upon my skin, slowly breathing in. Ocean in my hair, laughing at the air, footprints in the foam. This feels like home. I feel free with the ocean breeze, blowing all of my doubts away. Summer night stars do the same. Nothing heavy, nothing planned, just your heartbeat in my head. Salt on my lips, gold on the waves, breathe in, let it stay, bare feet in the sand, time melting, sky painting us in rose and blue, slow tide curling round. Every small worry drifting from view. Freedom like the breeze on my skin. Ocean in my lungs as I breathe in. Summer night slow, hearts wide open. Nothing but this peace we're floating in. Palm leaves tracing little soft shadows. Laughter from the bar fades low. Eyes closed, feeling every heartbeat. Moon climbing up, putting on a show. Freedom like the breeze on my skin. Ocean in my lungs as I breathe in. Summer night slow, hearts wide open. Nothing but this peace we're floating in. Talk low, let the silence answer. Soft hands, we don't need a plan. Each wave, a brand new beginning. Each star, another place to land. Salt on my lips, gold on the water, slow burn sky, and the day gets softer. Bare feet in the sand, let the shoreline draw my name. Every worry that I carry fade fades out with the tide again. I breathe in slow, all the colors in the air, little ripples over seashells, like they've always waited there. Ocean breeze on my skin, let it carry me, carry me. Every summer night begins. the noise outside.